at the Bridge border post. But then I'm joined by one of those that are traveling. His name is Mswanga Kamanga. Mr. Kamanga, thank you very much for your time. Just take us through where you've traveled from within South Africa and where you are going, essentially.
Yeah, I'm going for Malawi. Yeah, because I'm suffering money. I'm suffering money because my boss, if I for Malawian is foreigner, if now decision for country, if that's foreigner, you go back because it's a difference for people, for country and the government. You say government, you say you don't have paper, you know working. But you see people, you have paper, you know have paper, you can go.
Do you have all the documents that are needed yourself, Mr. Kamanga, to be in South Africa? You were telling me earlier that you've been in South Africa since 2018. Is that correct?
2018, I'm coming here.
And your documents?
It's documents as nothing. Documents. It's paper for working. It's nothing, man.
You don't have all those documents. And in terms of where you are going, are you then going back to your home country, Malawi? How do you feel about that?
Now I'm going to my country.